Disclaimer: this product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. For more information, visit bit.ly/dbdisclose.
Hey guys, this is your friend Iggy back again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to build a machine around the BIOSTAR, the Racing Series Z370 GT6 motherboard. I'm going to do two different videos here. I'm going to first show you in regular speed so those of you that don't know how to build a machine can learn from it. Then I'm going to be making another video, same video, just basically fast forward, a lot of parts edited out so that you guys that already know how to build can just fly through it. I'm going to cater to both audiences here. And well, if anything, let's get started. Get over here real quick. Alright guys, so here she is, the final build utilizing the BIOSTAR Racing Z370 GT6 motherboard. Okay, we can see there the heatsink for the M.2 PCIe SSD. Very slick looking. Comes with the board. Alright, so next up is going to be a video showing you guys how to install Windows 10 utilizing this motherboard. And then also in that video I am going to be flashing the BIOS just to show you guys how to do that. Alright, and so this USB bracket right here, that doesn't come with the board. I did include it. Alright, and again, the full spec list for this system will be in the description below, and then also in the pinned comment below. As always, please do click like and subscribe. It helps us out tons so that we can get more stuff like this, and then eventually also do giveaways, and then show you guys bigger, better, and more. Alright guys, Iggy out. See ya.
Disclaimer, this product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. For more information, visit bit.ly/dbdisclose. To have your product or brand showcased on Dragon Blogger, visit bit.ly/reviewmyproduct. Thank you for watching.